So now let us look at the normal form of the straight line. So in the normal form of the straight line, the information that is given is that if you have a straight line, you draw a normal from origin onto the straight line. So let us draw a ray OP. Let us draw a ray OP normal to the given line. So the length of this normal will be given to you. That is, the distance of this line from the origin will be given to you. And the angle made by the normal, with the positive direction of x-axis will be given to you. So if these two informations are given, can you find the equation of this line? That's the question. So the slope of this line, the point on this line, nothing are given this time. So the given information is the distance of this line from the origin and the angle made by the normal with the positive direction of x-axis following the standard convention will be given to you. Now using these two, can you find the equation of this line? Yes. So how can you find the equation of this line? From the given information, you can very easily find the intercepts of this line, right? Because if you take this right angle triangle, if you take this angle as alpha, so this is adjacent side, this is hypotenuse. Adjacent side by hypotenuse is nothing but cos alpha. So can I write cos alpha is equal to P by, so let us call this point A, let us call this point B. So P by OA. This implies P by cos alpha is equal to OA. That is, the x-intercept is P by cos alpha. Similarly, if this angle is alpha, obviously this angle is also equal to alpha. So from this, what is sine alpha? So in this triangle, sine alpha is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse, that is P by OB. This implies P by sine alpha is equal to OB. So you have OA as well as OB. Now once you have the x-intercept and y-intercept, we can use the intercept form of the line. So the equation of line is nothing but x by x-intercept, P by cos alpha, so cos alpha goes up, plus y by y-intercept is P by sine alpha goes up, is equal to 1. So this implies x cos alpha plus y sine alpha is equal to P. X cos alpha plus y sine alpha is equal to the perpendicular distance. So this is called the normal form of line. So in the normal form of line, what are the things that are visible to you? P is the perpendicular distance of the line from origin, and alpha is the angle made by the normal with the positive direction of x-axis using the standard convention.